AI is changing everything about how people make money. And I'm not talking about some distant future. This is happening right now. People are doubling their income, landing jobs they never thought possible, building businesses from their bedroom, and creating wealth in ways that didn't exist 2 years ago. But here's what nobody's telling you. AI isn't just creating opportunities. It's also making some skills worthless while making others incredibly valuable. The gap between people who adapt and people who don't is growing every single day. So today, you're going to discover exactly how AI is going to change your income. Whether you're an employee, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or someone just starting out. We're going to cover the real threats, the massive opportunities, and the specific skills that will make you irreplaceable in an AI world. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to protect and grow your income as AI transforms the economy. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the elephant in the room. AI is going to eliminate millions of jobs, not eventually, not in 10 years. It's already happening. Customer service roles are being replaced by AI chatbots. Data entry jobs are disappearing. Basic accounting tasks are automated. Content writing positions are shrinking. Junior coding jobs are being consolidated. Administrative work is being handled by AI assistants. And this is just the beginning. Within the next 3 to 5 years, any job that involves repetitive tasks, following standard procedures, or processing information is at serious risk. We're talking about millions of positions across every industry. But here's the thing most people miss. AI isn't going to replace entire professions. It's going to replace specific tasks within those professions. And this creates both a threat and an opportunity. The threat is this. If your entire job consists of tasks that AI can do, you're in trouble. If you're doing work that can be broken down into clear steps and automated, your position is vulnerable. But the opportunity is massive. Because AI creates far more value than it destroys. It's just that the value flows to different people. So who are these people? Who's going to win in an AI economy? 3 groups. And you want to be in at least one of them. First, the AI augmented professionals. These are people who use AI to do their existing job 10 times better and faster. They're not replaced by AI. They're supercharged by it. Think about a graphic designer who uses AI to generate concepts in seconds, then applies human creativity to refine them. Or a writer who uses AI to research and outline, then adds unique insights and storytelling. Or a consultant who uses AI to analyze data and create reports, but provides strategic thinking that AI can't replicate. These people aren't competing with AI, they're competing with other humans who don't use AI, and it's not even close. Second, the AI specialists. These are people who build, train, customize, or implement AI systems. Prompt engineers who know how to get perfect results from AI tools. AI consultants who help businesses integrate automation. Developers who create custom AI solutions. Trainers who teach others how to use AI effectively. This is a rapidly growing field with massive demand and high pay. And you don't need a computer science degree to enter it. Many of the most successful AI specialists are self-taught. Third, the human-centric professionals. These are people whose value comes from being human. Therapists, coaches, artists, performers, leaders, negotiators, salespeople who build relationships, jobs that require empathy, intuition, creativity, emotional intelligence, and human connection. AI can assist these roles, but it can't replace them, because their core value is the human element. Now let's talk about the specific ways AI is creating new income streams right now. Freelancing with AI. Freelancers who use AI are charging the same rates, but delivering work in a fraction of the time. A copywriter who used to take 3 days for a project now takes 6 hours. A video editor who spent 2 days on editing now finishes in 4 hours. They're making the same money per project, but completing 5 times more projects per month. AI-powered consulting. Businesses are desperate to understand and implement AI. If you can position yourself as someone who helps companies integrate AI into their workflow, you can charge premium rates. Even if you just know how to use ChatGPT, Claude, and a few other tools effectively, that's more than most businesses know. Content creation at scale. Content creators are using AI to research, outline, script, and even produce content faster than ever. YouTubers are creating 3 videos a week instead of 1. Bloggers are publishing daily instead of weekly. Podcasters are generating show notes and social content automatically. The ones who adapt are growing exponentially. AI-generated products. People are creating AI-generated art, music, designs, templates, courses, and digital products, then selling them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Creative Market. The barrier to entry is incredibly low, and the profit margins are high. Automation services. Small businesses need automation, but don't know where to start. If you learn tools like Zapier, Make, and AI APIs, you can offer automation services. Setting up AI chatbots for customer service. Automating email responses. Creating AI-powered workflows. Businesses will pay thousands for this. But here's what you need to understand. The income opportunity isn't just about using AI tools. It's about positioning yourself correctly in the new economy. Let me give you a framework. There are 3 tiers of value in an AI world. Tier 1, replaceable. This is where you're doing tasks that AI can already do or will soon do better. If you're here, your income is going to decline. Fast. Tier 2, augmented. This is where you're using AI to amplify your abilities. You're doing the work of 3 people because AI handles the grunt work. If you're here, your income is stable or growing. Tier 3, irreplaceable. This is where your value comes from uniquely human skills that AI can't replicate. Strategy, leadership, creativity, relationships, judgment. If you're here, your income potential is unlimited. Most people are currently in Tier 1 and don't realize it. They think their job is safe because it seems complex to them. But complexity doesn't equal safety. If your tasks can be described in instructions, they can be automated. The goal is to move from Tier 1 to Tier 2 immediately, then work toward Tier 3 over time. So how do you actually do this? How do you protect and grow your income in an AI world? Step 1. Learn AI tools now, not next year, not when you have time. Now, spend 1 hour every single day learning how to use ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, or whatever tools are relevant to your field. This isn't optional anymore. It's like learning to use email in the 90s. The people who adopted early won. The people who resisted lost. Step 2. Identify which parts of your job AI can do. Be honest. Make a list of every task you do regularly. Then mark which ones could be automated or assisted by AI. Then actually start using AI for those tasks. This frees up your time for higher value work. Step 3. Develop skills AI can't replace. Focus on strategic thinking, creative problem solving, emotional intelligence, relationship building, and decision-making under uncertainty. These are the skills that will always be valuable. Step 4. Position yourself as an AI expert in your niche. You don't need to be a world-class AI researcher. You just need to know more than the average person in your industry. Write about it. Talk about it. Show your work. Become known as someone who understands AI. Step 5. Create leveraged income streams. Use AI to build assets that generate income while you sleep. Digital products, automated services, content that compounds. The old model was trading time for money. The new model is using AI to create value once and sell it infinitely. Now let's address the biggest mistake people make. They see AI as a threat to avoid rather than a tool to master. I see this everywhere. People ignoring AI, hoping it goes away. People refusing to learn it because they're afraid or overwhelmed. People waiting to see what happens. This is career suicide. Imagine if someone in the year 2000 said, "I'm not learning the internet. I'll wait and see if it catches on." Where would that person be today? Massively behind. AI is not a trend. It's not hype. It's the biggest technological shift since the internet. And just like the internet, it's going to create massive winners and massive losers. The winners will be the people who adopt early, experiment constantly, and build skills around AI. The losers will be the people who resist, delay, and hope things stay the same. The choice is yours. But understand this. The gap is widening every single day. Here's the truth that might be hard to hear. Your income in 5 years will be directly proportional to how well you adapt to AI. If you ignore AI, your income will likely decline. Your skills will become less valuable. Your job security will decrease. You'll be competing with people who can do 10 times more work in the same time. If you learn to use AI, your income will likely stay stable or grow. You'll be more productive, more valuable, more efficient. But if you master AI and position yourself strategically, your income could multiply. 5 times, 10 times, maybe more. I'm not exaggerating. I'm seeing this happen in real time. People who were making $50,000 a year are now making $200,000 because they became AI consultants. Freelancers who were struggling to find clients are now booked solid because they deliver faster and better than anyone else. Entrepreneurs who were stuck are now scaling because AI handles everything they used to do manually. The opportunity is real, but it has an expiration date. Right now, we're in the early adoption phase. Being AI savvy is still rare enough to be valuable, but in 2 years, it will be expected. In 5 years, it will be the baseline. The time to move is now. So let me give you a concrete action plan. 3 things you can do this week to start changing your income trajectory. First, pick one AI tool relevant to your work and spend 3 hours learning it. Not just playing around, actually learning. Watch tutorials, read documentation, practice with real projects. Second, identify one income-producing task you do regularly and figure out how to do it with AI assistance. Then track how much time you save. This will show you the potential. Third, tell people you're learning AI. Update your LinkedIn. Mention it in conversations. Share what you're learning. This starts positioning you as someone who's ahead of the curve. Do these 3 things, and you're already ahead of 90% of people. Here's the bottom line. AI is going to change your income. That's not a question. The only question is whether it changes it for better or worse. The people who learn AI, adapt their skills, and position themselves strategically are going to thrive. They're going to earn more, work less, and have more opportunities than ever before. The people who ignore AI, resist change, and hope things stay the same are going to struggle. They're going to see their income stagnate or decline. Their opportunities shrink. their value decrease. You get to choose which group you're in. AI isn't coming, it's already here, and the income gap between people who use it and people who don't is growing exponentially. So start today. Learn the tools, build the skills, position yourself, because 6 months from now, you'll either be grateful you started or regret that you didn't. If you want more videos about AI, future skills, income strategies, and how to stay ahead in this rapidly changing world, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. The future of work is being rewritten right now. Make sure you're writing yourself into the winning side of history. Let's build that future together.